I am a recent planner and I've fallen in love with Hubman and Chubgirl's stickers. So when I saw they had a coffee lovers kit with a book and stickers and all the good things, I knew I had to have it. And something might be my coffee one I've been waiting for. Waiting so patiently. There it is. Thank you for your support. Woohoo! Since this is my first time doing this, I messed up and did not record me opening it completely. I don't know what happened to the video. So I'm just going to show you this picture, and it shows all of the stuff that was inside the box. Stickers and a pin and some washi, all kinds of good stuff. Here they are one at a time. These are the washi tapes. It's 4 different ones. This is an adorable enamel pin. Isn't she cute? This is the planner kit, so you can use it in your planner. Here are some really cute coasters. These are the vinyl large stickers. Here is the kit again. Here are really cute smaller vinyl stickers. Here are some metallic ones with numbers. You can use those for a layout. And then this is what the packaging looked like for the vinyl stickers. Here's the inside of the bullet journal. Really good paper. And I really love the green and the brown ribbons that match the journal. Really lovely. So here's the whole kit. It's amazing, really beautiful, great quality, just as you would expect with Hubman and Chubgirl. I hope you enjoyed this review. I'm looking forward to adding more on this YouTube channel. I know it says Cruising Girl, but this is more about all of me. Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you guys have a great day and you find some gratitude and some wonderfulness in your day.